All right, so as our student sets up for the parallel park, he's going to drive up beside the box. To begin the maneuver, your truck and trailer must fully pass this set of cones before you can begin the maneuver. Once you are there, we're going to back our student up into a certain spot where these cones are next to his trailer tires. So our student has passed the set of cones with his full vehicle. He's now backing up until these cones are at the front of his trailer tandems. So our student has just set his depth with the truck and trailer. He now needs to start to turn to get the truck into the box. Being that we want our trailer to go into the right now, he's going to hop in his cab, turn his steering wheel all the way to the left. Once he does that, he's going to back up until his truck and trailer is at about a 45-degree angle with itself. He will then stop and turn his wheel all the way to the right so that his truck will now get straight in front of his trailer. Now that he has the truck and trailer straight together, he's going to straight line back to set his depth into this box. He's going to back up his truck and trailer until the corner of his trailer, which is the driver's side corner this time, is on the boundary line for the box, and then he's going to use a get out and look to double check that he is where he wants to be. So again, our student is doing his get out and look right now. This is his first of 2 get out and looks he may use. He's coming out to double check that the driver's side corner of his trailer is on top of the outside boundary line for the parallel box. Once he determines that his trailer is where he wants it to be, he needs to hop back in his truck and turn his wheel all the way to the right. From this point, we need our trailer going to the left, which is why he's going to turn it all the way to the right. He's going to reverse until his truck and trailer is at a 45-degree angle with itself again, come to a stop, turn his wheel all the way to the left, and then reverse again until his truck and trailer are straight. At that point, he should be fully in the box with no part of his vehicle hanging over on either side. He doesn't have to be fully straight in the box, but as long as no part of the vehicle is hanging over, it will count. We recommend at that point to use your last get out and look to make sure that every part of your vehicle is within the boundaries. Our student is using his last get out and look to double check that he is in the box. As you saw, he did straighten his wheel and double check that he did. Make sure your wheels are straight because those do need to be within the box as well. After he does his final get out and look, double checks his front and rear of the trailer, he's going to hop back in his truck and pull his air horn to let the examiner know that he is finished with the maneuver. So for your parallel park, you have a maximum of 2 get out and looks you may use. You may not get out of the truck a 3rd time. That would be an automatic fail. You also get 2 free pull-ups you are allowed to use. However, if you pull up an additional time that is just points on your test, you may pull up additional times. Just be careful not to pull up too much.